The third part of chapter Stephen Hawking. Let's start. As his studies progressed, means as he continued his studies, Hawking started to notice that he was growing clumsy. Clumsy meaning is he was not able to walk properly. He noticed these kinds of changes in his bodies. Normally this would not be a matter of concern, but he didn't pay attention to that. However, as it became more acute, but as the time passed, the clumsiness was increasing. His family urged meaning is requested, then his family requested him to go and meet a doctor. Hawking spent that Christmas just before his 21st birthday at home with his family, and at that time he was spending the Christmas at his home with his family. And 8 days after Christmas, when his birthday was gone, when he became 21-year-old, and soon after that he went to the hospital for 2 weeks. He had admitted in the hospital for 2 weeks, and there several tests were performed. Battery means a large number of tests. A large number of tests were performed on his body, and when the results of the test came, Hawking was devastated. By seeing the result, Hawking was shocked. Devastated meaning is shocked. And why he was shocked? Because in the test he get to know that he was diagnosed with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis or Lou Gehrig's disease, that their disease had occurred in his body. And what is this disease? This disease is a nerve disorder in which a patient begins to lose control of all his or her voluntary muscles. Means he was, or the person who is suffering from ALS disease, he had no control on his or her voluntary muscles. Ultimately, it would cause complete paralysis, and as the time passes, this disease become great, and at last the people be a paralyzed person. That is, if the patient lived long enough. And it means if the patient's life is long, then he had to live as a paralyzed. In 1963, Stephen Hawking was told that he only had 2 or 3 years to live. And then in 1963, after he was suffering, or the time when he was suffering with paralysis, the doctors told him that he had only 2 or 3 years to live. The ALS diagnosis sent Hawking into a terrible depression, and due to the disease that Hawking became depressed. He went into the depression. He was ready to give up on his work and studies, and he decided to end his life. He stopped working, or he stopped his studies. Several people and many factors pulled him out of this state of mind. People tried, his family tried to take him out of this depression, and Skyma, who was his teacher, encouraged his promising student to drown his sorrow in work. And he encouraged Stephen Hawking to leave his sorrow, and he had to hard work. Something else caused Hawking to reassess his life. And one main thing which had encouraged Hawking to reassess means to think again about his life. That was a small child to whom he had seen in the hospital, and the child was dying due to leukemia. Leukemia is a cancer of the blood. 2 years after being diagnosed with ALS, Hawking wrote his graduate thesis. And after 2 years, when the disease was found in his body, then Hawking wrote his graduate thesis. Graduate thesis meaning is he was writing about his research work which he had done, which he had performed during the graduation. It was inspired by a theorem, and while writing the thesis, he had taken to write these graduate theses, he got the inspiration from the theorem on space-time singularity in the center of black holes. Means in his thesis, he had written about the space-time singularity in the center of the black hole. Means it is a one type of theory, or we can say about the black holes in the universe. He had written about that. And even he had taken the inspiration from the Roger Penrose, who had already written about these black holes. He had also obtained a research grant at Gonville and Sayers College, and even he had done his research work on these black holes at the Gonville Sayers College. By 1966, Hawking had obtained his PhD in cosmology, and in 1966 he completed his PhD degree in cosmology, means in the study of universe. His award-winning essay, that is Singularities and the Geometry of Space-Time, means he had written one essay, one article on this topic, singularity and the geometry of space-time, and this essay was very popular essay of his time. It was an award-winning essay, earned him the prestigious Adam Prize, and due to this essay he got the Adam Prize also, Adam Award also, which he shared with Penrose that year. And he had shared this award, means Hawking and Penrose, they both got the Adam Prize for the essay or article which they had written about the black hole, space-time singularity in the center of black holes. The following year his son Robert was born, and in the next year, means in 1966 he got the award. In the next year, that is in 1967, his son, whose name was Robert, was born. Hawking has noted that event as well as the birth of his other two children as among the happiest of his life, and he had told that the birth of his first son and other two children, these were the happiest days of his life. The year that followed had some major ups and downs for the genius, and next year, after the birth of his son, the next year he had to face some up and down in his life. In the next year, Hawking and Penrose collaborated, and Hawking and Penrose, they started doing work together. Collaborated meaning he started doing work together that gained more accolades for them. Accolades meaning is awards for achievements, means when they both started doing the work together, then they were awarded by many prizes. At the same time, his health continued to worsen, but his condition was getting bad and he was unable to walk without crutches. And then the time came when he was not able to move freely. He had to take the help of the crutches. Crutches are the sticks which are used by the disabled person for walking. In 1969, he was confined to a wheelchair, and in 1969, he started using the wheelchair. Still his work flourished, but his his research work was continued, and the following year he celebrated the birth of his daughter. And in the next year, means in 1970, his wife gave the birth of the daughter whose name was Lucy. In fact, 1970 proved to be a big year for Hawking, and it was this year when his daughter was born. It was a big year for Hawking because he discovered what was known as the second law of black hole dynamics, and in that year he had gave the second law. He had given the second law on the black holes. The following year, he won the Gravity Research Foundation Award for his essay entitled Black Holes, and he had written one essay on the black holes, and even he won the Gravity Research Foundation Award at that year. In 1973, he published his first book, that is the Large Scale Structure of Space-Time, and then he had written one book whose name was, the book name was A Large Scale Structure of Space-Time, in which he had written about the space-time, about the black hole. More importantly, he started his research in quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics is a branch of mechanics, and quantum gravity. Quantum gravity is a concept of gravity in which mechanics is used, and he started his research on both topics. In 1974, Stephen Hawking's work became world famous, and in 1974, all around the world, his research became famous, and his research findings had disproved his earlier discovery of the second law. But which research he had done? In 1974, they had not proved, they had disproved the theory of second law of black hole, which he had given in 1970. Why did this earn him fame? But then how he became popular if his both ideas were not proving each other. Then he might have been wrong on one topic, but he also discovered something incredibly important. Maybe he was wrong in one topic, but the author said that he also discovered something very important which made him famous. His work showed that black holes emitted a form of radiation. He had shown through his research that black holes from the universe, they are emitting radiations which were known as Hawking radiations. This discovery, along with his earlier work, helped us gain an understanding of what exactly black holes are. And this discovery of radiations, they make the common man understand his earlier concept on the black hole also.